Welcome to our podcast on the importance of regular maintenance for flameproof equipment. In this episode, we'll explore how proactive care can enhance safety, ensure efficiency, and maintain compliance in hazardous environments. Let's dive into why routine maintenance is a game changer for industries operating in high-risk zones. Let's begin. In areas with a high risk of catastrophes, having all the necessary flameproof equipment is a must. The main purpose of flameproof containment systems is to prevent the occurrence of violent explosions. But, like any other equipment, these systems, too, require regular maintenance so that they can be trusted when needed the most. Maintenance of this equipment is the activity that people most often ignore, as many consider it to be a waste of money and resources. However, regular maintenance is what makes these systems even more reliable than they already are. Well, let's take a look at the importance of regular maintenance for flameproof equipment. 1. Safety first, always. When there are dangerous zones and equipment operating, safety comes first all the time. Flameproof equipment is designed to protect workers and prevent catastrophic accidents by containing potential explosions. Since even one little defect can pose a risk, it's better to keep safety first. 2. Flameproof control panels, the command center. Flameproof control panels can be best described as the nerve center of most industrial operations. These enclosures protect important electric systems, which are built for the containment of sparks or possible internal explosions. Any one of them failing to perform as required can have catastrophic results. So, routine maintenance helps detect and resolve issues early. 3. Say goodbye to downtime. How would one picture production come to a standstill simply because of flameproof equipment wearing out or failing? According to research, downtime in critical environments can cost anywhere between $10,000 to $50,000 per hour. Flameproof equipment servicing can point out dangers and situations beforehand, which need to be addressed promptly before they reach critical levels and develop an uncontrollable circumstance. 4. Longer life for your equipment. Investments in flameproof electrical equipment are one thing, however, like all investments, one should also protect it. Regular maintenance practices will save the systems from unnecessary wear and tear, damage, and other factors that reduce their lifespan. 5. Explosion protection, your ultimate safety net. The importance of implementing flameproof equipment in the provision of explosion protection is of the highest standard. It serves as a last barricade in environments that are potentially dangerous and averts the chances of widespread destruction. Neglecting maintenance of such equipment can compromise its ability to contain or prevent explosions. 6. The unsung hero, flameproof limit switches. Flameproof limit switches are not only a minor component, but they are actually very important. These switches help control machines in hazardous areas, allowing for proper operations. If these switches do not operate properly, then it may lead to equipment failure or some other major consequences. Hence, regular servicing of these switches will enhance the accuracy of operations. 7. Defend against environmental hazards. Flameproof equipment installed in hazardous zones is bound to face adverse environmental conditions such as humidity, dust, and other corrosive conditions. Even the most durable systems will weaken over time due to these factors. Maintenance also helps prevent these from happening in the first place, meaning that systems such as flameproof cables and flameproof extension boards are protected. 8. Stay on the right side of regulations. Equipment like flameproof lights and flameproof junction boxes installed in hazardous zones is bound to face adverse environmental conditions such as humidity, dust, and other corrosive conditions. Even the most durable systems will weaken over time due to these factors. Maintenance also helps prevent these from happening in the first place, meaning that systems such as flameproof cables and flameproof extension boards are protected. 9. Cut costs with proactive maintenance. Despite being a cost during operation, preventative maintenance is extremely cost-effective in practice. Addressing the problem on time can avoid the need for urgent, expensive repairs or replacements. 10. Complete system check. Flameproof devices should not be looked at as standalone items, but as a complete system where every other component within the system is interlinked. Regular servicing maintains harmony among all the parts, reducing the chances of failure and improving the overall performance. Conclusion. With new and emerging industries such as oil, gas, mining, and chemicals developing, India's industrial development is shifting toward more advanced horizons. Such industries work in potentially dangerous areas, and thus, flameproof equipment is a necessity. Even the smallest blunder in this environment can have dire repercussions. Flameproof equipment servicing from providers like Bharat Flameproof should not be seen as an additional practice, it's a standard due to the extreme importance of operational standards. Preventive maintenance is not a luxury, it is a necessity to avoid loss of life or property damage. Before work commences, the flameproof panels, switches, and cables should all be in good order. Through flameproof equipment maintenance, Indian-specific industries can enjoy operational assurance, peace of mind, and cost-effectiveness in the long run. That's it for today's episode. If you found this podcast insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more information on flameproof equipment and maintenance solutions, visit www.bharatflameproof.com. Stay safe, and see you in the next episode.